Hello beautiful people, it feels absolutely great to be back and to be on your screen again. Today I want to make liver fried rice for dinner real quick. I'll first go in with my vegetable oil. I'll go in with my onions. Then I'll put in the blended peppers and tomatoes. You need to be boiling your water separately so that when you finally put your rice, it's not going to soak the rice, rather it's going to cook it. Over to our liver sauce now. I have my pan on fire. Just want to put a little bit of, it's just like a stir fry. First, I'm going to put in my boiled liver. I've already cooked this liver. Okay, this is it. I've already cooked it. Now, I'm going with my green beans and peas. I have my carrots. This is what we have. Then I'll put in the spices just to spice up the liver sauce. Who is ready to try the food with me? So guys, let's try this together.